What is better for a retail business? Opening more stores or improving the stores you already have? This is one of the biggest questions in retail. Many businesses believe growth means expansion, more stores, more cities, more visibility. But is that always true? What happens if existing stores are already struggling? Will opening more stores solve the problem? Or will it create bigger losses? Today, let us understand a very important retail lesson. In retail, expansion is good, but blind expansion can become dangerous. In this video, we will understand why many retailers fail during expansion, why fixing existing stores is extremely important, and how successful global retailers balance both profitability and growth. Because in retail, growth without control is not success. Real success is profitable growth. Let us start with a simple example. Imagine you own 5 stores. Out of these 5 stores, only 2 are making good profit. The other 3 stores have problems: low sales, poor customer experience, inventory issues, high staff turnover, weak operations. Now imagine opening 10 more stores without fixing these problems. What will happen? The same problems will spread faster, losses will become bigger, management pressure will increase, and suddenly the business starts losing control. This is exactly what has happened with many retailers across the world. Example 1. Starbucks. Starbucks expanded very aggressively in many markets. At one stage, the company opened too many stores too quickly. The customer experience started becoming weaker, operations became inconsistent, the brand started losing its emotional connection with customers. Then Starbucks made an important decision. Instead of only expanding, they focused on improving store experience, employee training, operational quality, and customer satisfaction. After strengthening the foundation, growth became stronger again. This is an important lesson. Expansion works better when the foundation is strong. Example 2. Walmart. Walmart is another strong example. Walmart did not become successful only because it opened more stores. Its strength came from operational excellence, strong supply chain, inventory control, pricing systems, store processes, data analytics. They improved efficiency continuously before scaling further. That is why Walmart could manage large-scale expansion successfully. Example 3. Future Group India. Future Group expanded rapidly across formats and locations, but operational challenges, debt pressure, and inconsistent profitability and cash flows created major difficulties later. Building too many non-profitable companies, expansion alone could not save the business because growth without strong operational control becomes risky. The real retail truth is, many retailers believe revenue growth means business success. But retail is not only about sales. Retail is about profitability, customer repeat rate, inventory productivity, operational discipline, people management, stock accuracy, shrinkage control, and customer trust. If these areas are weak, expansion multiplies the weakness. This is why many retailers open stores fast but close them later. So, what should retailers actually do then? My opinion is simple. Both are important. Expansion is important, but improving existing stores is more important first. A retailer should first ask, are my current stores profitable? Are customers happy? Are operations stable? Is inventory under control? Is the team disciplined? Are processes repeatable? If the answer is no, then expansion should slow down. Because retail scaling is like building a tall building. If the foundation is weak, the building becomes dangerous. The best strategy, the best retailers in the world follow a balanced approach. First, they create strong systems. Then they standardize operations. Then they improve store productivity. And after that, they expand carefully and profitably. This creates sustainable growth, not temporary growth. Let's recap what we have learned. Retail expansion is exciting. New stores create energy and visibility. But smart retailers know one important truth. Growth is not about how many stores you open. Growth is about how many stores you can run profitably and consistently. Fix the engine before increasing the speed. That is how long-term retail success is built. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And let us continue learning real retail together.